change.
Hi there, my name is Jim Poole. I'm the President and CEO of Solace Lifesciences, the neuroscience company that makes NuCalm and also makes Ignite. So Ignite Warrior Brain. We've done a sneak peek. We've allowed our NuCalm users to have access to this incredible neuroacoustic software platform. Now, why have we attached it to NuCalm? And why haven't we shown this to the world for the last 6 years? Because Ignite is exceptionally powerful. And for those of you who listen to it, from legendary to certainty to gratitude, you felt the power of this adrenal kind of overload. The key to us is not to hide stuff or build stuff and just kind of use it specifically to certain people. The key is, let's ensure that you take care of yourself first. Every human on the planet is really good at accessing adrenaline and catecholamines and cortisol. Very few humans are good at balancing the autonomic nervous system and keeping balance between the rest and digest side of the equation versus the stress response. So NuCalm has to be a core. NuCalm has to be a habit. NuCalm has to be a trusted confidant and best friend and tool for you to restore, recover, and put yourself in this state of balance. Then, as a foundation of health and well-being, that's when you use Ignite. And Ignite is an awesome tool. It's really easy to understand because when you listen to it, you feel this incredible sense of an unstoppable certainty. You can do whatever you want. It doesn't matter what you want to do. Nothing is going to stop you. That's the beauty of Ignite. So we create this intense, mistake-free focus through this platform. And the beauty of it is the ease of use. There is no disc. There is no eye mask. You simply put on a headphone and you listen to Ignite, doing whatever it is you want to do. Sometimes I use it when I'm working. Sometimes I use it when I'm working out. Sometimes I use it when I'm walking and just want to clear my head. So now you have access to two incredible tools: recovery, restoration, health, longevity, immune strength, and resiliency through NuCalm. Use it as much as you like. We recommend the NuCalm Rescue 70, 100, 120 tracks as the strongest, most efficacious platform. And then you have Ignite, when you need that kick, and you need that jump, and you need that intensity, and you want to have that warrior brain where nothing is going to get in your way to solve problems, do performance at the very high level. This is amazing. We're so glad to be bringing it to you. Enjoy it. Be careful with it. Love it. Love yourself. Much love and gratitude. Good luck and enjoy the ride.